To another brand new video. Today we are going to learn how to make Google Chrome your default browser. So everybody of us use browser to browse. So we use Bing, Google Chrome, Microsoft, Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini, etc. So everybody of us are very um, Google Chrome is very easygoing, and everybody of us use Google Chrome. So I will show you today how to make Google Chrome your default browser. So first of all, we have to go to here, uh, type here to search. From here, we will click write settings, and you will find settings option here. You will click on settings. Then you will find apps. In the left hand side corner, you will find apps. Click on apps. Now you will click on default apps, and now you'll go down and you will see that there is this option called a web browser, and it is given Microsoft Edge. So in order to change your default web browser from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome, you just click on Microsoft Edge, then just click on Google Chrome. So here you can see that my web default web browser is now Google Chrome. So with a very simple steps, you can easily convert your previous browser to Google Chrome and surf the internet very easily. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you like this kind of short videos. Do share with your friends and family. We'll be back with another video. Thank you.